Hey you guys, stay tuned for this superhero DIY that I did for my son's room. So starting off with a few items here, I have some Podge. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but it's pretty much like glue. And I have some stencils here, and I have some letters, JR for Junior, that's what we call our son, and I have some little craft boards and a superhero magazine. Spider-Man. So I'm just going to tear out the pages that I want to use out of this magazine, and then I'm going to take a pair of scissors and just cut each of those pieces out. So as I was cutting out each piece, I was also placing them on the board just for placement purposes, just to see which part would work best for each section. So once I was satisfied with the placement of each section, I went ahead and used that Mod Podge and put that on the back of the strips and placed that on the board. See, for certain sections I could easily flap the strip over the board just like that, and then for sections that had a curve in it just like that one, I had to kind of cut it out a little bit because it was a little bit too bulky and wouldn't lay as flat as I would like. So I just cut out a little section and then just go ahead and put the glue on there and then place that on the board as well. Okay, the J is finished, and now we're going to move on to the R. One thing that I learned after doing the J is that you can use that Mod Podge on top of the strip, particularly on the sides, and you won't be able to tell after it dries. It's just a little bit more security in helping that strip cling on to that board. Yay, so we are done. Isn't that cute? So I just used some stencils here, and I didn't show you guys me actually coloring because I didn't think you would want to see that. But I just used a marker and some glitter, and this is what I came up with. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you do, and please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so. I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.